Today, I'm going to show you how to drain and clean your Spectank in just a few simple steps. First, make sure your drain area is ready. Switch off your Spectank completely. Once it's powered down, unplug the cable and wrap it neatly so it's out of the way. Now, attach the 1-inch nozzle and connect the 1-inch drain hose securely. When everything is in place, open the drain valve. You'll see the water begin to flow out. Keep an eye on it to make sure there are no blockages. Once the tank is drained, open the lid carefully. Be mindful here. There may be steam released as you lift it. With the lid open, apply your degreaser. Spray generously, covering the entire inside of the tank, paying special attention to the sides, ledges, and crevices where buildup collects. Next, rinse the basket before lifting it out. Lift the basket carefully and give it a thorough clean, making sure it's secure as you handle it. When the basket is clean, lower it back into place and rinse away any leftover debris that might still be in the tank. Now, close the valve and remove the hose. Close off the drain area. Take off the nozzle piece and store it safely by securing it back to the hose, leaving everything tidy and ready for the next stage of the process.